people are idle, they will also be pure and innocent. No sovereignty. There will be no king to rule over us. Again, Sebastian interrupts him, interferes and says, in the beginning, Gonzalo says that if I had plantation of this island, if I had the right to colonize the island, yet he would be king. He there refers to Gonzalo. Gonzalo wanted to be the king of the island. The latter end of the Commonwealth forgets the beginning. The description at the end of the Commonwealth has forgotten what he said in the beginning. In the beginning, he said that he will have control, he will be the ruler, and towards the end of the speech, he says, there will be no king in my Commonwealth. So the latter end of the Commonwealth forgets the beginning. All things in common nature would produce. Everything will be shared. Everything will be shared by all the people in the island without any sweat, without any work or endeavor. No need to sweat, no need to do any hard work or no need to do any work at all. Treason, felony, that is no treachery, no unfaithfulness, no crime. Felony is crime. There will be no crime in the island. Sword, pike, gun, knife or need of any engine. Engine is weapons. There will be no need of any weapons at all in the island. People will be pure, people will be innocent, people will be good. They don't have to do any work. And also there is no laws. There is no need to fight over property. No need to introduce laws regarding property. But nature should bring forth of its own kind. Food should be produced by itself. Crops should grow by itself. All poison, everyone would have enough of everything. Enough to eat, enough to wear, enough to drink. All abundance. There will be so much of plenty in the island to feed my innocent people. People will be absolutely innocent and they will have enough of all what they need. And again Sebastian, no marrying among his subjects. Would there be marriages among the people? None man, all idle. And Antonio contributes to what he says. He adds to what Sebastian says, everyone would be idle. I would with such perfection govern, sir, to excel the golden age. Golden age is a fabled age, that is when everything was at its best. When the rule of a country was at its best. God save His Majesty. They are mocking him and they are saying, they are making fun of Gonzalo because he said that he will be the king of the island. God save His Majesty. Long live Gonzalo. And do you mark me, sir? Prithee no more. Thou dost talk nothing to me. All what you talk to me is nonsense. I am not interested in anything that you say. Nothing has any meaning for me. It's senseless talk to me. I do well believe your highness and did it to minister occasion to these gentlemen. I understand the feelings of Alonso and I made this and I am talking just to amuse Antonio and Sebastian. Just for their sake I have said all these things. Because I understand the feelings of Alonso, but I spoke at length, I spoke all these things in order to amuse Antonio and Sebastian. I do well believe your highness and did it to minister occasion to these gentlemen who are of such sensible and nimble lungs that they always used to laugh at nothing. They have such sensitive lungs that even very small things they will laugh at, or even if there is nothing to laugh at, they will continue to laugh. who in this kind of merry fooling am nothing. So, in this kind of idle talk, I cannot compete with you. The idle talk made by Antonio and Sebastian, Gonzalo says is beyond him. He is not able to indulge in any idle talk. Who in this kind of merry fooling am nothing. Am means refers to himself. Am nothing to you. So you may continue and laugh at nothing still. So you can continue to laugh. What a blow was there given. You have spoken something very apt, very correct in what you have said. And it had not fallen flat long. If it had not fallen harmlessly, it would have been a very good blow. So blow there refers to the word spoken, but Sebastian takes it in the sense of striking a blow with your hand or hitting with your hand. So the blow would have been good if it had not harmed or hurt anybody. You are gentlemen of brave metal. You have a lot of courage. You are very brave gentlemen. You have plenty of courage. You would lift the moon out of her sphere if she would continue in it 5 weeks without changing. The moon completes one revolution within a month. So Gonzalo says Sebastian and Antonio are so powerful, are so brave that they will be able to move the moon if it remains for 1 month. You are gentlemen of great courage. You would even move the moon to go on for more than a month without her usual charge. You are gentlemen of brave metal. You would lift the moon out of her sphere if she would continue in it for 5 weeks without changing. So, we'll stop there. After that, you have Ariel coming in and playing solemn music. Now here, the Gonzalo's idea of the Commonwealth is important. Then, in Act 1, Scene 2, we have Ariel and Caliban, two contrary creatures. That is, they have talents, their behavior, their character, their abilities are contrasted. So, you have Ariel and Caliban in the previous scene. Now here you have Antonio, Sebastian and Gonzalo. And how they try to comfort Alonso. That is, Gonzalo tries to comfort Alonso, but Sebastian and Antonio make fun of the way Gonzalo is trying to comfort Alonso. So with that, we'll stop the lesson here.